Hello, and welcome to the Titus Timeout Podcast. Today we're going to answer the question, can you turn a VAV box upside down? We're often asked whether a terminal unit can be turned upside down in the field. Usually this is because once on the job site, someone realizes that they need the box to be the opposite hand. The short answer is it depends. So what does it depend on? Well, basically all single duct and dual duct boxes can be turned upside down. The exception to this is if you have pneumatic controllers or mercury contactors. If you have pneumatic controllers or mercury contactors, they must be removed and reoriented to right side up. Okay, so let's move this out of the way so we can talk about fan boxes. For series fan-powered boxes, the same rules apply as single ducts and dual ducts. One thing to consider, most fan boxes have bottom access so that you can access the motor from the bottom of the box. If you flip the box over, you won't have access to the bottom any longer. Now let's look at parallel fan boxes. It's a little bit different story. Because the parallel boxes have a gravity-operated backdraft damper, which means that gravity is what's holding it closed when the fan is off, if you flip the box over, you will open the backdraft damper all the time. So parallel fan boxes cannot be flipped over. We are often also asked whether water coils need to be reoriented to right side up after the box is flipped. 1 and 2 row coils don't need to be reoriented. The one thing to remember is that you should pipe the supply water into the bottom connection on a water coil. This way air doesn't get trapped in the coil when the water is off. So now you know when you can and can't turn your VAV box upside down. Thanks for taking a time out with us.